Hello students, once again welcome to Bholanat Academy. Students, today we are going to see the stereoisomerism. So first question students, sometime in examination they are asking what is stereoisomerism. So you have to write this answer. When two compound contains the same ligand attached to the same central metal ion, or it may be ion, but the arrangement of the ligands in space about the central metal ion being different, and these compounds are said to be stereoisomers, and this phenomenon is known as stereoisomers. So that means students, around the central metal ion there is arrangement of ligands. This arrangement of the ligands we call as what students? Stereoisomerism. Now students, we will see the type of stereoisomerism. Stereoisomerism is of two types: geometrical isomerism, and this is also called as cis and trans isomerism. And second is what? Optical isomerism. In this video students, we will see only the geometrical isomerism, that is also called cis and trans type of isomerism. Now students, geometrical isomerism in square planar complexes, when the four ligands are there, and it will forming what? Structure square planar complexes. So how many isomers, stereoisomers are formed, that we will see. So that is called as geometrical isomerism. We are going to see square planar complexes. Four types of square planar complexes exhibit geometrical isomerism. There are four types of square planar complexes. Students, first type is students with metal, central metal atom, and two type of ligand A and B. And the number of ligand A type is 2 and B type is what? 2. The total 4 ligands are there students, but the four type of ligands, they are present only two types, A and B. 2 in number, this is also 2 in number. So this is the first type of square planar complexes. It exists in cis and as well as what? Transform. Now example here students, I have given the platinum complex. Here two ligands, two chloride ligand and two ammonia ligands are there students. So that is why it is called as Ma2B2 type of complexes. In geometrical isomerism students, see students, metal will be always at the center. So you can write the central metal atom like this. This is the platinum. Now students, around this platinum, this is forming the square planar complex, and it is forming how many types? Two types, cis and trans. So here again we are writing platinum complex, and it is forming the square planar complexes. Now students, what happens students when it forms the cis type of complex? So that means here chloride, the second chloride will be adjacent to this second chloride, and this ammonia, the second ammonia will also will be adjacent to this ammonia. So there is a steric hindrance. If there is a steric hindrance in the same type of ligand, we call as what students? We call as cis type of complex. This is the cis type of platinum complex students, platinum and Cl2, and there is a 2 ammonia. Correct students? This complex, sometimes they ask in examination, write down the complex structure of this cis form of platinum complex. So you have to write the structure like this. So because it is complex, you can put this square bracket like this. Okay students. Now second students, now you want to write what? Trans type of platinum complex. Trans type of complex students, trans dash, you have to write down the whole complex platinum. This is the molecular formula will be same students. We are writing different structures. So students, what happens students? Here if I am writing ammonia here, to opposite to ammonia, which ligand will come? Opposite to ammonia, you will find ammonia ligand is there, and adjacent will be there will be chloride. So this is the trans, we call as what? Now here the ligands are trans to each other. So that is why it is called as trans type of complex. So this is the very important students for the examination point of view students. This is the first type of complex, yeah, metal A2B2 type. Now second students, we will see metal. This is the metal A2. There is a type of ligand will be the similar. B is second ligand, C is the third ligand. Now total 4 ligands. Now students, you can see 2 ligand, 3 and 4 ligands. So that is why it is called as what? Square planar. It will form the square planar complexes. Now it exists in cis as well as trans form. Now you have to write down the students cis form of this complex. How you will write students cis type of complex? Again students, you have to write, now you want to write the structure of cis type of this complex. Here platinum and ligand is pyridine. 2 ligand of the pyridine and ammonia and the chloride. So here 3 type of ligands are there, but the pyridine ligand you have 2 in number. So students, you want to write cis type of this complex. Pyridine is 2, Py twice, then you have to write down ammonia, NH3, then chloride. So total 3 ligands, but pyridine is what? Twice in number. Same we have to write down this students trans type of structure. Trans platinum complex, platinum, you have to write pyridine twice, second ligand ammonia, and third ligand is what? Chloride. Because we are writing square planar complex students, platinum will be at the center. You have to make this square complex. Again you have to make the same thing is students here also. This way you have to write down. Now what happens students? First you are writing cis. That means here pyridine will be a what? Adjacent to each other. Py and adjacent to again pyridine. So this will says that is cis type of complex. Other chloride you can put here or here. So I am putting here students chloride, and here is ammonia. So because it is a complex, you have to put this symbol. So this is the which type of complex students? Cis type of complex. Now here students, cis type of complex, where now we are going to see the trans. trans type. So pyridine, if you are writing here, opposite to this ligand, you have to write same ligand, students, py. So this is the trans type of ligand. You can put chloride here or here. I am putting chloride here. So this is the trans type of complex, students. Very important, very important. In the examination they are writing, so they will give this part, you have to write down the structure. So this is second type of square planar complex, students, Ma2bc type. Now students, third type of complex, students, we are writing metal ABCD. That means here all the four ligands are different students. Now it produces 3 isomers, students. It produces how many isomers? 3 isomers. So here, students, for the sake of convenience, I am writing all the ligands in alphabetical order. This is A type ligand, this is B, this is C, and this ammonium hydroxide I am writing with capital D. Correct, students? Now we are going to write 3 type of isomers. That is stereoisomers we are going to write. So in examination, students, how you are going to write? First you have to write A trans to B, then A trans to C, then A trans to D. This type of all trans product you will get, students. So students, because here they are asking, it will always produce how many? If all the ligands are different, you will get 3 isomers. So you make the platinum will be at the center, because it will form the square planar complex. You can write like this. Here also platinum will be at the center. This way you have to write. Platinum will be at the center. This way you can write the square planar complex. Correct, students? First I am writing a type of ABCD in alphabetical order, students. I am putting A here, B, C, and D. Now students, when you see, A and C are trans to each other. So this is trans type of complex, A trans to C. So this is the, because it is a complex, you have to put this symbol. This is the first type of isomers, students. Second type of isomers, how you will write it, students? Now you have to just A trans to B. A trans to A, your A position will be as it is. Now you have to trans with B. Okay, students, C and D you can write here. I am writing here, students, C and D. So this is the second type of isomers. Correct, students? This is called A trans to B. Now students, here again platinum will be at the center of the complex, and you are writing A trans to the A position will I am keeping here as a fix, and I am writing D here. So you can put here or you can put here. So I am putting B here, and C I am putting here. So this is the third type of isomers, students. Now here A trans to D. So you can write the isomers A trans to B. This is very important, students. Very examination, for an examination they are asking question on this. Write down A trans to this complex. So this way you have to write the structure. A trans to B, you have to write this isomers. A trans to D, you have to write this structure. Okay, students. Fourth type of complex, students, metal A and B, 2 type of ligand, and they are twice in number. Now it exists in cis as well as what? Transform. Now students, here platinum complex, which is the ligand name is what? The same ligand, students. It is called as what? Amino ethane thionate. This is the amino. This is the 2 ligands, students, which is attached to this complex, students. Now what happens, students? What will be the possible structure? Platinum will be at the center, and this is the square planar complex. Platinum will be at the center, and see, students, where the nitrogen of ammonia is coming what? Adjacent to each other, and sulfur is coming like this, and it is forming this. This is the first ligand and second ligand like this. So it will form, students, which type of complex? It is forming what? Cis type of complex. We call as cis. And when the nitrogen is coming opposite to this and sulfur is coming to opposite, so again it is forming same type of structure, but because of they are opposite to each other, this is called as what? Trans. So these are the 2 type of isomers exist. Last, if you like my video, students, please share it, subscribe it. They are very important for the examination point of view. Thank you very much, students.